welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you some holiday inspired updos. Now I already included the Luxies extension in my hair because for today's tutorial I want to create a lot of volume and I can use a lot of hair for today's hairstyles. As I mentioned before, the Luxies are very easy to wear, they are very light, and because they are 100% human hair, you can curl them, you can style them as you want, and that's why I went for the curly look today. With a wand I created a lot of curls and I teased the hair for a very soft, voluminous, wavy look. Before doing any updo, I spray a good amount of hairspray to make the hair a little bit stiff. This way it will hold the updo much better. Especially if you have very silky hair, you might consider doing this. For the first hairstyle, which is a voluminous messy ponytail, I'm adding volume powder to the roots to create volume on top. Leaving some hair out in the front, I'm putting the rest of the hair in a ponytail. With a brush, I'm teasing the already curled hair to create a messy, voluminous look. Be gentle while doing this, you don't want to create a lot of frizz. Take a small hair section, smooth it out with a brush, and wrap it around the hair elastic to hide it. Secure it in place with 1 or 2 bobby pins. For more volume and to give this look a messy appearance, I'm pulling some hair out gently on top. And since it's the festive season, we definitely need some sparkle for this hairstyle. And there you have it, a messy, voluminous, yet very glamorous ponytail. For the next hairstyle, I'm smoothing the hair out with a hairbrush, creating a low ponytail, hiding the ears, which is optional, you don't have to do this, especially if you're wearing some beautiful earrings. The next step is creating a hole in the hair where it's possible for the ponytail to go through. With this technique, you are creating something similar to a ribbon. How cool is that? Adding this sparkly hair clip will definitely finish this look off. And we're done. I love the whole loose, classy look that I can see myself rocking on one of my Christmas dinners that I still need to organize, by the way. Okay, moving on to the final look of today's tutorial, and this one is not so classy, it's more playful and fun, maybe something you might rock on New Year's Eve. I'm starting off by twisting 2 hair sections into each other. And to make this twisted hair section bigger and looser, I'm pulling gently like so. Once you've done that, we're using the twisted hair section as in hair elastic and wrap it around the first half of the hair. Securing it in place with a bobby pin or 2. Moving on to the other side, creating the same twisted hair section and wrapping this around the other half of the hair. Since there is so much going on already with this hairstyle, I decided not to include any hairpiece or any jewelry, but feel free to add whatever you desire to achieve your goals. All three hairstyles are easy to create, I promise. And don't worry if you don't have long or thick hair. You can definitely create a similar look using the Luxie hair extensions. More information can be found in the description box, along with a link and a discount code. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's hairstyles. I made it hopefully as easy as possible for you because these hairstyles are really simple, very easy, yet they look so glamorous and festive already. Don't forget to tag me in your pictures if you decide to recreate one of these looks. I really love to see you guys being very creative with your own hair, and I cannot wait to see you rocking these beautiful hairstyles during the festive season. Don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up, subscribe for more hairstyles and updos, and I really hope to see you next time.